story, and the second game is connect the dots. So in Weave Your Stories, we will give you a prompt, which is basically the first line of the story. After that, the participants will have to continue the story and add new things to it. Uh, okay. Next slide. Okay. So this everyone will get only 90 seconds. That's it, not more than that. So you have to be very rapid, and so everyone has to add something new. You have to follow up the other person. The I will call out the name, and then you'll continue. The okay. Any questions? And it would be really great if you guys could switch on your videos.
Have you already been divided into teams?
No, that you'll find it out in the end. I mean, in the general meeting kind. This is not a team project. You will have to do it individually. Ishan?
Yeah. Okay. So coming to the second game, we have connect the dots. Please change the slide. Yeah. So for the rules, there will be two unrelated words assigned to each participant, and you will have to form a meaning between the two words and speak few lines on the basis of your own creativity. The moderator in room 2, where this game will be played, will call out names from the attendee list to assign them their pair of words and give them their respective time to think and speak. Point to be noted, the participant will be assigned their pair of words only when their name is called, so please pay close attention. In these 90 seconds, the participant will have to think and speak both. So basically 90 seconds is the total time a speaker will get to think and present their ideas. Yeah. Good evening to one and all present. We welcome you all to the game of Connect the Dots, where each participant will be given a pair of unrelated words, and each one of you will get 90 seconds to connect the word in the most creative way possible and convey it to our judges for the day. The rules are being presented in front of you, and if you have any questions or doubts regarding the same, please go on and ask us. Also, it's a humble request that if you all are comfortable, then please open your cameras, as it's going to facilitate a better interaction. Any questions, any doubts? Okay, so now we will begin calling the participants one by one. Please pay attention to the names because you don't want to miss your turn. Okay, so first of all, we have Partho Chakrabarti. Partho Chakrabarti, can you answer?
Hi.
Pantho, yeah. Yes, your pair of words is fog and stars. So you may think about it for 90 seconds and speak.
Okay, I have to speak now, like in 90 seconds.
Just you have 90 seconds as a whole.
Okay.
So you have to think and speak both in 90 seconds.
Okay. And my time starts?
Now.
Okay.
Till then, I'm going to give the second word, Pujita Chintala.
Yes.
Yeah, your pair of words is waterfall and desert. So you can start waterfall and desert.
Desert.
Yeah, you can start after Pantho.
One question. What kind of narrative does it have to be? Like some meaning, or can I just connect it with some random abstract thing?
In any abstract or creative manner as you like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm starting.
Sure, go on.
Okay. As I lay on the barren land, looking up at the foggy sky, feeling feeling lost like I've never been before, trying to find the light, my pole star to guide me through.
Okay, great. You were well within time.
Thank you.
Pujita, are you ready?
Can you give me a few more seconds, please?
Sure, sure.
Okay,
I
Ishani,
think we can start. Yep.
Ishani, I request you to please keep the presentation on the slide so everyone can see it. The rules for the game, and we can go on with the words.
Okay, wait.
Pujita, you can come now.
Okay. I lie on a barren desert, waiting for a hope of light, which would fall on and in thirst, waiting for a waterfall.
All right. Got it. Yep. Next is Pranav Prabhu. Can we hear from you, Pranav?
Hello.
Yep. Your pair of words is magic and science.
Magic and
Science.
yeah.
Your time starts now. Till then, Sarath VSS.
Yeah,
Yep. Your pair of words is coffee and candy.
coffee and candy.
Yep. Pranav, you can come up now.
Hello. Is it audible?
Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Go on.
So, a steam-powered engine, a marvel of science, rides through the distant farm. A farmer and a shepherd wonders, what magic is this?
All right. Thank you so much. Sarath, can we hear from you?
Yeah,
Yes, go on.
our lives lie between two things, the truth and the lie. The truth is bitter like coffee, and a lie could be as sweet as a candy. Candy, if you take more lies, that is, you take more candies, you get diabetes. If you take more coffee, you get more alertness. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Now we have Shrudula Gopinath. Can we hear from you?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. Your pair of words is the doll and the window.
Okay.
Yes. Your time starts now.
Okay, guys, I've just loved all of the ideas that you've spoken till now. Like, it was full of creativity. Also, to mention that this was not just the first chance, we have a second round too, where you'll be given another pair of words. So, it is best of the two. So, if you couldn't come up with something for the first time, I hope that you'll come up with something better for the next. But I loved all of the ideas till now.
Okay, I think I'm ready. So, she was his doll. She lay idle, always gazing out of a window, eyes filled with wonderment. Whenever he looked at her, he always saw his little girl, someone who would stay young forever and never grow up. But she was looking outside, wondering when she could escape, when she could leave, when her life would start, and when the endless possibilities which lay right outside, enclosed by just walls, would finally arrive for her. Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, that was great. Thank you so much.
That was great.
Yep. Now we invite Sneha Sri Ravi Shankar. Can we hear from you? Sneha Sri Ravi Shankar. Sneha Sri Ravi Shankar. Okay, I suppose she's left.
No,
Tanvi.
I think her mic isn't working. She's typing something.
Oh, all right, all right.
It's okay if your mic is not working. You can just give her the words and maybe just type it in the chat.
Yes. Wait. Okay. I'll give you the word. So your pair of words is feather and bristles. And are you all right with that? I'm starting your time now. Yep. Sneha Sri, you can type it in the chat box itself. Nehasri, can we hear from you? In the chat box. Okay, till the timing, I'll call Tanvi Shukla. Tanvi Shukla, are you there? Yup, you raised your hand. Can we hear from you?
She has typed her answer and typed her yes in the chat box because she cannot. Her mic's not working. So.
Okay. Yep. So I'll give you the pair. So your pair of words is shoes and the bed. If you're fine with that. I'll call now Vaishnavi K.
Yes.
Yes. I'll give you the pair of words. Wood and furnace.
I didn't get you.
Wood and furnace. Is it alright?
Yes. Sure.
Yeah. Starting your time now. Yes, Nehasri, your message reached. Tanvi, are you ready with your answer? Yep, got your answer. Thank you.
So I'll give in my answer too.
Yeah, in 10 seconds approx.
Yeah. So it was late. It was late winter. The cold was getting over me. I was sitting on the wooden floor with the furnace on. This made me wonder, waiting for summer to come, something like that.
Yep. All right. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay. In the end, I'll call Vishal Chawla. Can we hear from you? Vishal Chawla. Yeah. So I'll just give you the pair. Your pair is mask and scarf.
Guys, it would be better if you just could unmute yourself and then come on mic and speak whatever you want to. That would be more fun and interactive. also if you could on your videos.
Vishal, did you get your pair? Should I start your time? Okay, alright. Till then, did we miss out on any names? Anybody who hasn't performed yet?
Because after this we begin with a fresh round of words. So yeah, fresh pair of words and then another chance. So we'll be considering the best of the two.
Vishal, you can come up with your idea. Okay, Vishal. Got your idea. Thank you.
Also, guys, you can read what others are speaking and get ideas from there, because maybe they have something different and something which you can add to your own idea.
We'll be starting the second round in a minute or so. And we'll follow the same list. So Pantho, you will be ready now.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright. So let's start with the second round. So your pair of words is tires and tired.
Tires and?
Tired.
Okay.
Yep. Your time starts now. Till then, Pujita?
Yes.
Yes, your pair of words is tears and closet.
Tears and closet.
Yep. So you can go on.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Yeah, sure. Take your time.
Okay, I'm starting.
Go on.
Okay. It's been days that it- it's been days. The tires are burnt down from the journey. I can't see an end. I'm tired, but I have nothing else to go. Nowhere else to go.
Alright, thank you so much. Pujita, you can come up now.
Just a few more seconds, I'll come back.
Sure. Till then, Pranav, Prabhu.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll give you the pair. Your pair is price tag and thief.
What's the second word?
Thief. Price
Thief.
tag and thief. Yes. Pujita, you can go on.
There she lies, in her tears, waiting for her prince to pull her out of her closet.
Great. Thank you. Okay, after Pranav, it's Sarath.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. Your pair of words is the witch and the prayer.
The witch and the prayer.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Pranav, you can go on.
We're just looking at how creative you can be in associating these words. So that's the only criteria for judgment.
Yeah. Pranav.
I guess he's replying in the chat box. So
Yeah, got it. Yeah. Sarath, you can go on.
Yeah, one sec.
Till then, Shridula.
Yeah.
Shridula, your pair is spells and medicine.
Okay. Thank you.
In the land not far away, in the mystical land that not far away, people pray to the god while witches pray to the Satan, one for development and one for destruction. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Snehasri, yeah, you were in the chat. So should I give you the word? The words, in fact. Okay. Your pair is rainbow and moonlight.
Okay, I think I'm ready. The steady rhythms of her mechanical heart slowed day by day. No medicine from villages far and wide could cure her. Trying natural remedies or big pharmaceutical companies' expensive pills could not cure her. We resorted to spells, we resorted to sacrifices, but every day her fading heartbeat just got slower and slower. The pacing fading further and further into the distance, into the backs of our minds. The only way spells and medicines could help now was to cure our hearts when she was gone. The only way spells or medicine could help in this world would be to mend the hole which she had left once she had faded away.
Thank you. Snehasri, you can type in your idea. Till then, Tanvi Shukla, should I give you the pair? Alright. Your pair of words is petals and odor. Yep. Snehasri. Snehasri and Tanvi, we are waiting for your answers. Okay, got yours, Snehasri. Okay, Vaishnavi K.
Yes.
Yes, your second pair of words is silk and blood.
Can you repeat it? Silk and blood, right?
Yes, silk and blood. Tanvi? Yes, got yours. Also, a gentle reminder, guys, you can turn on your videos because we'll be taking a screenshot and uploading on our stories. So once we are over with the presentations, please turn on your cameras.
Okay, wait. Let us just wait for a second. We need to add someone, I guess. Yeah, it would be great if you could switch on your videos, but just a second. And guys, I loved all of these ideas. I mean, it's very tough to connect words which are not related, and you came up with amazing performances. We'll be announcing the winners in the general room shortly. But the ideas were amazing. And if you want to ask anything or know something, you can for sure come up with questions right now.
Yes, we are open for questions.
Maybe not related to game, but anything that you want to ask, related to writing or something, anything.
Vaishnavi, you can go on.
Yeah, so I'll start.
Yes,
She looked
please.
at the night sky with blood on herself. She dreamed, she remembered the time she felt the pain, tears in her eyes. She wondered if all of this was just a dream. She hoped that it's a dream. With the silk and with the blood on herself, she cried, wishing to be heard.
Thank you so much. Okay, so lastly we have Vishal Chawla. Yes, I'll give you the pair. Yes, your pair of words is couch and curtains. And I'm starting your time now. Yes, Vishal, you can come up with your idea now. And as Vishal is our last participant, we can all turn on our cameras. Ashani and Katyani.
Yeah, sure. All of you can turn on your cameras. We are just clicking a screenshot. And we are open to feedbacks. Like if you want to give feedbacks, how did you like the session? Or if given a chance, would you have joined Connect the Dots or Weave the Story? Like what interested you more? Thank you so much for switching on your cameras.
Wait. Don't take selfie yet. Don't take screenshot. Let me straighten my hair. 1 second. Please, 1 second, please. Yeah, go on.
Okay, so guys, you can tell how did you enjoy the session? How was it? Like I know it was tough, a bit tough to think in 90 seconds connecting to words is
The
the
time
first
was the more difficult part, not the connecting.
thing.
Yeah.
I understand
Time
that.
But it
was
also
just-
kind of made it fun. If we had enough time, then it would have
Yeah.
been much easier.
Exactly.
But like
That
the
wouldn't
time
be
constraint kind of made it fun. It kind of made that adrenaline rush happen.
Exactly. So when you go for internships, again, you will be having deadlines which you have to meet at the last moment. So that is something like you have a practicality. But if given a chance, would you have joined Weave the Story or Connect the Dots? Like you know both of the games right now. So which one would you have joined if given a choice?
Connect the dots.
Connect the dots.
Weave the
Okay.
story.
Okay, nice ones. We'll be just announcing the winners, and then we have the round 2. So for the same, what all instructions are there, we'll be having that, and it was a fun session, guys. So thank you so much for joining. You can connect to the general meeting if you want right now. And we had some great ideas and some amazing time with you all. So you can leave this meeting and join the general meeting. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome once again. It would be really great if you guys could switch on your videos. I'll go over the rules once more. So you have to. So basically, we'll give you a prompt. I'll just tell you the prompt, and you have to continue the story one by one. Everyone has to add to whatever the last person says. It has to be creative. The only judging criteria is creativity. Mm. You will have only 90 seconds, so please be rapid to speak and to think about it both. Okay, so the prompt is drink it quick. The contents are unlike any I'd ever seen. I drank it in one gulp. Does anyone have any questions? Should I repeat the prompt?
Hey, can you
Drop the prompt in the chat box?
Yeah, sure. Just remember to pay attention to whatever the last person says or the person before you says, because it would be important. I've written the prompt in the chat box. You guys can read it once again. Any questions?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
So, how many lines are we supposed to speak?
There's no particular limit. You just have to remember that you will have only 90 seconds to think and speak both.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Any other questions? Okay. So, Abhirami Menon, are you here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, your 90 seconds start now. So, you can
All
think
right.
and speak in this time.
All right. Can I also type it out? Is that okay?
I mean, it would be better if you could speak, but
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so I'll say it once and then I'll type it out as well, so it's easier for the next person.
Okay. That's great. That's really great.
So can I go?
Go ahead.
All right. So my sentence is, and within seconds of doing so, I was transported into a world of ecstasy.
That's really good. Okay. So the next person is Akshat Punia. Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So you heard that, right? She'll type it out. Okay.
Yeah, I was transported into a world of ecstasy.
Okay, cool. So your 90 seconds start now.
And the taste was better than I had imagined. It was different than what I had expected it to be.
That's really good. Aman Shah? Hello, Aman Shah? Okay. So you're gonna type your prompt out, right? Okay, so you have 90 seconds. Also, we will have 2 rounds, not just one. So we'll have another prompt after this. So if you can't come up with anything in this one, it's all right. You will have another chance. That was really cool, Aman. Ananya Barakoti? Okay, so did you read the continuation of the story in the chat box? Or did you read what Aman wrote?
Yes, I
Okay, cool. So your 90 seconds start now. Okay, that's cool. Ananya Gupta.
Yeah, yes, I'm here.
Okay, so Ananya, the other Ananya wrote something on the chat box.
Yeah, I
And
did.
your 90 seconds start now. And it would be really great if you guys could speak it out.
Okay, I will.
Ananya?
Yeah, so my sentence is, and it suddenly felt like an earthquake. No, wait, worse. I think I blacked out for a few seconds, and when I opened my eyes, I knew where I was.
Oh, wow. That's good. Arjav? Arjav?
I've also typed it out if anyone wants it.
Oh, wow. Thanks.
Yeah,
You are, but it's like your volume is very low.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
The earthquake brought me back to reality. All of this was just me thinking about having drunk it in the world of ecstasy. But the reality was, I hadn't set the drink yet. Another thought from my imaginary world was, fears are just in the head. They are as imaginary as the drink that I was holding.
Wow. Okay, can you please type that out? Uh,
Yeah, can you please type it out?
Yeah, I'm just doing that.
okay.
Yeah,
Arunima?
thanks.
Yes, can you start my 90 seconds when he typed out because it
Yeah,
was
yeah,
kind
yeah.
of
I was just gonna tell you that.
okay, thank
So
you.
once he types it out, I'll start your 90 seconds. Arunima, I'm starting your 90 seconds.
Okay. I suddenly woke up. I looked in the mirror and I was unable to see myself and I realized that I am invisible.
Ooh, interesting. Bhavani?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm starting your 90 seconds.
This power of invisibility gave me crazy new ideas. I started contemplating over if robbing a bank today would be the best idea and if I should go ahead with it.
Okay, that was okay. Devanshi?
Can you like ask Bhavani to repeat what she said? I have a poor connection.
Sure. Bhavani,
Yeah,
can you
sure.
repeat that?
Yeah. Seeing myself invisible in the mirror started giving me crazy new ideas. I started contemplating if whether robbing a bank today would be a good idea.
Alright, I got that.
Devanshi, I'm starting your 90 seconds.
Cool. But then a thought crosses my mind whether this what I am thinking, what I'm seeing, what I'm feeling, whether it is my reality or is it my schizophrenia just getting worse? Am I crossing over into the world of imagination or am I just losing hold of what I really am doing here?
Wow. Gayatri, would you like to continue that? Gayatri? Okay. You
Yeah,
can
go
type it
ahead.
out. Gayatri, your 90 seconds are almost over.
She's asked if she can type it out.
Yeah, I know she can. I told that. Oh, wow. Okay. Hilur? Hilur Gulati? Mm, Okay, so are you going to type it out too? Cool. Your 90 seconds have started. That's really good. Himanjali?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So I'm starting your 90 seconds now.
Right. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Suddenly I heard a loud bang. I felt my body come crashing down. And my body turned cold as I saw a 9-foot tall alien right in front of me.
Wow. Nice. Ishani?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, cool. I'm starting your 90 seconds.
All right. All right. The alien prowled towards me menacingly. It came near me and touched my forehead. I felt, I, s- I sucked into a vortex, and suddenly I was transported into my third grade classroom. Seems like facing my fears wasn't my imagination after all.
Wow, that's oh my God. Okay, so Nathanya. Mm,
Hello. Yes, am I audible?
okay, yeah, you are. I'm starting your 90 seconds.
Okay.
Is that okay? Good.
Yeah, that's fine. Can I go?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Uh, this can be. I was terrified. Even with a lack of drink in my system, my head was spinning like a carousel. Specks of blood soaked my hair strands when I pulled at it. Stop! I could almost hear the deranged music of a haunted carnival. I tried to steady myself, but in vain. The fear gripped my heart like an iron fist when I looked around the classroom and my blurry vision focused on what was in front of me. You, I hissed.
Wow, that was really creative, honestly. And okay, so we'll start the second round soon. I will give you I mean, we couldn't finish the story, but we'll start with another new prompt. And this time, you guys will have to speak longer, like at least 5 lines.
The time limit provided is same.
Yes. And Arjav, you already spoke longer, so it's okay.
Okay.
So I have typed out the second prompt in the chat box. You guys can read it. And the time limit will be same. You will have to speak at least 5 lines. Abhirami, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'm starting your 90 seconds.
All right.
Abhirami, you have like 15 seconds left.
All right.
Abhirami, your time's up.
Yeah, so this wasn't the first time he had felt these eyes pierce through him. He'd been here last week on the very same day, and the week before, again on the very same day. Something was surely amiss, but he couldn't get himself to find out what it was. Is this real, or was I hallucinating?
Ooh, interesting. Akshat?
It was so long. It was so long. Can she write it down once?
She has typed it
Oh,
out
I
in the
did.
chat
Yeah.
box.
Yeah. Okay.
Akshat, you have like 20 seconds left. Akshat?
Yeah. Was I hallucinating? Is this real? He thought to himself as he made his way down to the corridor of the grand old house he had inherited from his grandfather. Yeah.
That's awesome. Aman? Okay, cool. So you'll be typing it out in the chat box, I'm guessing. I'm starting your 90 seconds. Aman, you have 15 seconds left. Aman, your time's up. Wow, that was really creative. Okay. Ananya? Ananya Barkoti? Okay. So I'm starting your 90 seconds. Ananya, you have 20 seconds left. Ananya, your time's up. You can speak it out and type it out later. If that's alright with you. Ooh, that was really good. Ananya Gupta?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. And honestly, it'd be really great if you guys could speak it and then type it, or vice versa.
Okay. Ananya, you have like 15 seconds left. Okay, so my sentences are: seconds later, he knew who it was. He runs as fast as he could. He finds himself there again. It felt like a curse. He hated the feeling of being watched. The house was like the cherry on top. the same faces that have ruined his childhood. It was all here again. It was just like his nightmares. The memories haunted him too much. Maybe it's just my punishment. Maybe I'm not allowed to wake up from this nightmare ever, he thought.
Wow, that was awesome. Arjav? Arjav?
I am here. I'll just read it again.
Cool. I'm starting your 90 seconds. Arjav, you have like 10 seconds left. Arjav, your time's up.
Yeah. Grand dining hall no longer felt like a luxury. The paintings that his ancestors loved so much haunted him every day, every night. His past was horrible. He could see his present and the future becoming the same.
Wow, that's deep. Can you type that out?
I did.
Okay, cool. Arunima?
Yes.
I'm starting your 90 seconds. Arjav has typed it out, so you can read that.
Just a minor clarification, Arjav, not Arjav.
I'm sorry. I'll keep that in mind.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. He was scared. He closed his eyes. In no time, he was in a dreamy state. Suddenly, he heard a voice, the voice of her mother. She was screaming. She repeated, "I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Your grandfather did a big mistake. Your grandfather did a big mistake."
Wow, that was really weird. Bhavani? Bhavani?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm starting your 90 seconds.
Yeah. Enough is enough, he decided. I'm going to put an end to this today. He went back up to the painting and challenged the eyes to a staring contest. He gazed into those eyes with a fierce intensity, and his eyes widened as he saw a reflection of a childhood memory with his grandfather in those eyes. He wanted to look away, but a strange energy compelled him to continue looking at those eyes. He soon started hearing voices around him and felt the silhouette outside could be his ancestor's apparition. With great difficulty, he turned around and saw his whole family sitting at the dining table looking at him.
Wow, you were ready. Devanshi?
Yeah, I'm here.
Cool. I'm starting your 90 seconds.
Cool.
I'll paste it in the chat box as well. Just a minute. I have to type it out.
Yeah, can you like start my 90 seconds after she's done
Sure,
typing?
sure, no problem.
Yeah, cool. Okay, I'm ready.
Cool, you can start.
Yeah. Arya is saying something, so should I, like, he is asking someone to read it out, so will, like, Bhavani do it, or should I speak after that?
Bhavani, is she here or has she left?
Yeah, I'm here. Read
Okay,
what
so
I wrote out.
your prompt. Yeah.
Yeah. Enough is enough, he decided. I'm going to put an end to this today. He went back up and challenged the eyes to a staring contest. He gazed into those eyes with a fierce intensity. His eyes widened as he saw a reflection of a childhood memory he had with his grandfather in those eyes. He wanted to look away, but some strange energy compelled him to continue to looking at those eyes. He started hearing voices and thought the silhouettes outside could be his ancestors' apparition. He turned around and saw his whole family sitting at the dining table looking at him.
Wow, that's honestly super amazing. I agree with Arja. Devanshi?
Alright. A sudden flash zapped him out of the hallucination, and he knew he had to take a decision. And he decided to bring those paintings down. He took them outside of the house and burned them and watched the fire glare in his eyes. And he knew that he has kept his past behind him and it will not affect his future because he had moved on.
Ooh, a twist. Nice. Gayatri? Are you here?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, okay. So I'm starting your 90 seconds.
Can you ask Devanshi to type it out, please?
Sure. Yeah, I'm doing.
I couldn't. Thank you.
Gayatri, I'm starting your 90 seconds.
Hello?
Yeah?
I'm ready.
Okay, cool.
With that satisfaction, he went back to his house, had his dinner, and fell asleep. He was so happy that he had finally come to terms with his past on his own. And that was his mistake. In his dream, he saw the same childhood memory that he had seen while he was staring at the painting. Him and his grandfather sitting near the mantelpiece. He wanted to scream, he wanted to shout, he wanted to take his childhood self out of that place, but he couldn't. Somehow, he woke up, and then he came face to face with a woman wearing an emerald necklace. He didn't know what to do. He was frozen with fear because that emerald necklace was never found once his mother died. And before he could speak, he was stabbed. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, that was wow. Okay. Hello, Gayatri. Also, can you please type that out?
Alright.
Hello, I'm starting your 90 seconds.
Sorry, I'm not done. It just sent itself. Hello.
Oh, okay. So you can type
Not
the rest of
typing,
it
but
out.
yeah. Okay.
Gayatri, are you typing out the rest of it?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Can you just give me a minute?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Okay, hello. I'm starting your 90 seconds now. Hello, your times. Okay, cool. Himanjali? Himanjali?
Hi, yeah,
Okay. So I'm starting your 90 seconds.
cool.
Himanjali, you have 20 seconds left. Himanjali, your time's up.
Right. So the thought of fighting for his mother gave him new energy. He pushed the woman with all his strength, and despite being in pain, he was able to get away from her. As she held herself back, he ran and locked the room she was in. He went towards the telephone to call the police.
That was really good. Ishani?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, cool. I'm starting your 90 seconds. Ishani, your time's up.
Yeah, I'm ready. As he locked the woman in the room and called the police, he looked at the necklace, which was still in his hand. As realization crept upon him, he remembered the words of his mother from the memory, talking about his grandfather committing a big mistake. He ran up to his grandfather's room and rummaged through it in a hurry. He found a casket within which there was a bunch of letters and a lot of war memorabilia. He found a photo and he thought that it was strangely familiar. With a jolt, he realized that it was the same woman that he had locked down in the room below.
Oh, wow. Nathanya? Nathanya?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Okay, so yeah, I'm starting your 90 seconds.
Okay.
Nathanya, you have 20 seconds left. Nathanya, your time's up.
Okay. So his fingers grazed the photograph. Maria, it said in the corner. He was never the one for legacies and ancestry, and for all his life he had never bothered for his family after his mother's death, until the question of inheritance arose. But Maria was a name he could never forget. It was her who stood in that painting. He threw away. Her lips curved in a graceful smile, but she had eyes so dead. And he knew why that painting watched the corridors. It watched in fear and alarm of someone knowing her secret, that she was the one who killed her mother. And he knew. When the sirens sounded, he smiled.
Oh wow, that was awesome. It was great interacting with you all. So the first round ends here. You guys can join the general meeting right now.
Okay, we can announce the result, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, switch on your videos. We'll have good screenshots before we announce the results. Also, do note the prompts that will be given right now for the second round. And everyone.
Guys, what about inner beauty?
Okay, let us just get done with this and then we can talk on later about it. Okay, so we'll be showing the prompts and we'll be sharing the same on group 2. So just take a screenshot if you want for the prompt or take it from the group again. So yeah. So Kanya, we have the results, right? From room 2, from room 1. Okay. Go ahead.
So the winners for Weave the Story are Bhavani, Abhirami, Ananya Barakoti, Ananya Gupta, Devanshi Sharma, Ishani Roy, and Nathanya Gupta.
You can repeat the names once again if they have not joined yet. I'll just wait for a few seconds.
Yeah, can you guys write the names in the chat or something so that people who have not joined it yet, they can view it later?
You can just drop the names.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, announcing it once again, if all of you have joined. It's Bhavani, Abhirami Menon, Ananya Barakoti, and Ananya Gupta, Devanshi, Ishani, and Natanya. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah, you guys were great, honestly.
Congratulations, guys.
So I've also pasted the list in the chat box.
Okay. So this is Ishan is here. Ishan, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so you can announce the names for the second, winners for the
Yeah,
first.
sure. So the winners from Connect the Dots are Pranav, Ridula, Vishal, Sarath, Tanvi, and Nehashri.
Okay, so
If
all
you
of
want
you were great. We loved all of your ideas, but of course we need to choose winners, and that is when we had to do this. But of course, for the second round, we are Ishan, you can present the PPT.
Yeah, just.
And do you guys want us to repeat the names for Connect the Dots too?
Is it visible?
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
visible. Just make it a full screen. Yeah. Okay, so you can go ahead with the description of the second round, Sukanya.
Okay. So for the second round, you will be given 3 prompts which are on your screen right now. You have to choose one and you have to write 100 words about it. There's no particular format. The deadline, you will only be judged on the choice of your words, and the deadline is tomorrow midnight. Everyone can participate in this round, but but only the winners will be in race. So the top 3 will be chosen from the winners. Any questions? Or should I read out the prompts once, or can you guys just screenshot it?
Hey, can you let us know about the word limit?
100 words. The word
Alright.
limit is 100 words.
Where should we submit it?
Proper letter
So the
format.
drive. Pardon?
Is it a proper letter format?
No. There's no particular format. You don't have to worry about the format.
We just want the content. That's it. Nothing else.
Yeah. And the drive link will be sent on the WhatsApp group where you have to submit it.
Even the people who are not winners also should write it and
You
send
guys
it.
can participate. Yeah, there's no problem.
If you love the prompts, you feel like you can share something, we are open to reading all your prompts.
Yes.
All your messages. But we absolutely loved all your ideas, and we had to be really picky about choosing the winners. And so sorry for people who couldn't make it. It was very tough for us. Do you have any more questions?
Ishan, can you send the list for the winners of Connect the Dots on the chat box?
Just drop it in
Yeah,
the
just
chat
a
box.
second. Wait, Ishani, can you do that?
Yeah, sure.
ଭଲ କଲ ମୋତେ ବି କାହିଁକି ଆଜି ଶଳା ଜମା ଭୋକ କାହିଁ ଲାଗୁନି କିନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ମୋତେ ଅବାଗିଆ ଲାଗୁଛି।
Any other questions?
And one last time, if you could all switch on your videos and we click a final screenshot before we end today's fun session. It could be great.
Maybe Sarath, your hairstyle is now fine, I guess.
So guys, any more questions related to the second round if you want to ask, or anything, any more doubts, anything?
Why not just continue the game we were playing when the Weave the Story people weren't there?
We'll plan it some other day. We've gone overboard, I guess. A very
Yeah,
important
it's
part
okay.
of content writing.
It's okay, not the first rejection I've had.
We need to stick to the word limit, right, for content writing. That is the most important part. I think we just dragged the plot a bit. So I guess we are done for today if you have no more questions. And we are just sending the drive link on the group. And thank you so much for participating. It was all so much fun.
It was a great session, you guys.
Yes, absolutely.
Great efforts, guys.
And thank you, Mitendra, for staying till the end. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Hello.
It was my pleasure only to hear all these beautiful
Thank you, everyone.
thoughts,
I had a great time.
answers.
Thank you so much.
For the
Hey,
Envision
guys.
team.
Thank
For
you, it
the
was great.
Envision team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, guys. Really.
And thank you, Ishan and Sukanya. It was great.
And
The conduct was great.
Thank
as
you,
well.
Ishan and Kanya, and the content team, Ishani. And Ishani for not leaving the Connect the Dot meeting. I had to forcefully just close the meeting. So,
Thank you so much, everyone.
चलो ठीक है भाई, जाओ खाना वाना खा लो, घर वाले चिल्लाना रहेगा.
बस टाइमिंग शेयर कर रहे हैं हम. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
हम वहाँ कर
Okay.
दो. Bye.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.